we've come now out of Business Central, and now we're really talking about non-Business Central users. So these may be cost center managers, they may be C-level management that wants to look at this data, Business Central data and other data. And so what you can see here is the exact same report from Business Central within the Power BI dashboard. And there are more interactive parts here within the service, but this is where traditionally you would go in and look at all of the data. And you can see here I can actually do a cost center analysis and use my filter there for that. What I really wanted to show were a couple little things here. What we've seen here is what we call a report, but what we can actually do is create or pin a number of our visuals from our report and create what we call a dashboard within our Power BI service. And what I'm going to do is just show you an example Power BI dashboard. And what's happening here is I've pinned a number of visualizations to my dashboard, and you can see here I've put in some titles, and I'm actually using this dashboard as a monthly dashboard for management. And so I've got titles, I've got some commentary, and I've been able to pin my visuals for that particular month. And I can actually go into it. So if I actually selected the visual, it would actually go into the particular dashboard it's relating to. Okay. What also I can do in the Power BI service is that I can create comments. So if I need to create a comment, you can see here I've got a comment and I've got an at mention. So I can interact with other people within the organization to show them exactly to communicate with them and ask them certain questions and facilitate discussion and collaboration within Power BI. The other thing I can do is I can actually create a subscription, and so I can send an email to various users or to myself on a daily, monthly, frequent basis. So if people don't have the time or the inclination to actually go into the service, they actually start with an email, have a look at the data and snapshot that data, and then actually go into the service to analyze that data further.